Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. When setting up a Montessori homeschooling environment at home, it is crucial to prioritize safety to create a secure and conducive learning space for children. Key safety measures include securely anchoring tall furniture, such as drawers and shelves, to the wall to prevent them from tipping over, which is essential as young children explore their surroundings. Additionally, it is important to keep hazardous items, such as lighters and sharp knives, out of children's reach to minimize the risk of accidents and injuries. By implementing these basic safety guidelines, caregivers can foster an engaging environment that encourages independence and exploration, while ensuring that children are protected from potential dangers. A thoughtful approach to safety not only supports physical well-being but also contributes to a positive and nurturing educational experience.